Welcome. Oh my goodness. It's a really good one, but conditional. Pagi teman-teman. Of course, if there is one passive member, that lesson will be postponed to the next week. Pagi Zen. May I have you for my personal teacher? Like privately? Yep, for a reward for being active and madly interested in learning Indonesian. The reward of being active is that you are improving your Indonesian, Zen. Indeed, I just wish I could go much faster. I exited from other English groups so I could be more active here. Guys, Shirley, Yash, Mubarak, just say pagi here every day or teacher will give us the bonus. Kalau kamu mau cepat fasih ya jangan pakai bahasa Inggris terus lah, Zen. You reveal the secret. Oh, oke. Itu agar mereka mengerti. You did, V. I just added. Oh, hari ini Jumat ya. Hari anggota baru. Yeay. Selamat datang di grup belajar bahasa Indonesia, Ama. Selamat datang di grup, Ama. Sepertinya semua orang masih tidur atau sedang sibuk, Zen. Iya, tidak apa-apa, Vi. Can I say that? Boleh. Oh, oke. Maka ini saat yang tepat untuk belajar. Tidak ada pelajaran hari ini, Zen. Oh, hey, what is this? She is welcoming you to the group. Yeah, I just translated and I asked, what is this group for? Are you all Indonesians? Oh, did she kidnap you? No, I'm Filipino. Oh, really? You're Sri Lankan, right? I needed a friend who lived in Thailand and Filipino. Yeah, learning Indonesian is fun. Yep. Oh, for what? I need to learn too. I know plus 94 for make friends. Oh, nice. Yeah, of course you can and you'll enjoy it. Fee is a great teacher. Oh, nice. Who is Fee? Yeah, the admin and creator of this group. She added you here. Oh, okay. Yeah. What is your name? She's a great kidnapper too. I'm Zen. Wow, I'm love to being kidnapped by the way. Oh, nice to meet you. Then she wasn't mistaken for kidnapping you. Nice meeting you too, Ama. Ah. I saved your number, Zen. Is that okay? Do you like to watch status? Sure. I love checking statuses. This group prohibits PM though. Oh my god. Free only status, I promise. What is your MBTI? I'm sure it's fine to check statuses. Oh, you want to find out? Yeah, it's yours to discover. Just be active here and find out others too. I think I know a bit of you now. Let's make a challenge, shall we? Oh, really? Yep. Tell me. Oh, not now. Definitely. It's still in a process. Okay. One question. Do you think I'm extrovert or introvert? Great. What is the challenge then? Well, knowing MBTI. Okay. Yeah. Huh? I think your intro may be part, am I right? I didn't promise to give you answer. Yep, I told you too. I will let you process. It's still in a process. Sure, do the same. Your five color? Brown. What about you? Got you. Same. I know one thing. Our members gonna piss because of us. Oh, nice. There is no rules against this though. Just be active here. Yeah. P, you will find out very soon about my MBTI because of my status. Yeah, unless you're not doing any obvious mischievous behavior, then our admin will take over. Sure, I'm telling you, even your stickers speak about you. Let's try it in 1 month or just 1 week. Week. Sure. Do you know anyone from Thai? I think, but only one. Oh, okay. And we're not really that close friends. Just I know. Okay, okay. Anyways, I've to go for now. Sam, see you. See you. Unbelievable. 100 unread messages just for an hour? Yeah, okay. You know me as Shelvia, not Fee. I told you 3 months ago that I will kidnap you someday, remember? Today is the day. Is that so? It is only forbidden for Yash anyway. But among girls, we can PM each other. Now I'm discriminating genders. Correct. That is the only rule here. We can talk about everything. Nationality, race, religion, politics, war, conspiracy theory, etc. What is MBTI anyway? Nice. Really? You don't know that? Oh, what does MBTI stand for? About personality, but it's not describe 100% of someone, but we can get some understand about their behavior. Oh my gosh, this is my result. Really? Yeah, more rarest personality type? Masa sih? Really? Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a girl. Yeah. Are you a boy? Nope. You? I'm a girl. Oh, I'm sorry. Why? Because I thought you were a boy. Biasanya grup ini didominasi oleh para cowok. Minggu ini waktunya para cewek yang mendominasi grup ini. Ini terdengar bagus, terdengar aman juga ya kan? Ya, bagaimana hari kalian teman-teman? Panas seperti biasa, Vi, tapi itu bagus. Iya, memang panas banget tadi siang. Iya, di sini panas sejak pagi. Iya, sama. Bagaimana harimu, teman? I just got shower.